Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Singapore in SNSU program. I'm going to make a persuasive speech. My topic of choice was why we should ban single use of plastic in our compounds. Imagine walking along a beach and picking up plastic bags, bottles and wraps and strays, not just in ties but in every aggressive washing, in everything you find in waste pollution, things that are causing land pollution, not noise pollution, it's land pollution, and land defermentation, wasting up like the tides never stop. This isn't just any eyesore. It is a threat to our planet and to our future generation. Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about why we should stop using plastic bags. Why should we ban using plastic waste into our oceans, choking marine life, polluting ecosystem and breaking down into microplastics that enter our food chain. These things are very bad because they destroy our land health, land degradations. They cause many bad things to our land. The other thing is, this isn't just a distant environment issue, it's an urgent problem that demands action now. Because plastic doesn't disappear by banning single-use plastics, we can significantly reduce this pollution, protect vulnerable species like sea turtles and seabirds that mistake plastic for food, and present future health risks. Some people worry that such a ban could hurt business or raise prices, but after the transaction furthers the sustainability alternatives and can become cheaper and more widely available as demand grows. You know, like these things of the plastic bags, people may say that stopping us from using these things, we are benefiting from them. It may lead to inflation, goods may increase, but no, these things are very bad to our land. They cause soil erosion. They are very bad because they lead to many harmful